Now let's go ahead and talk about the next option, which is Dispatch. Now this is only available in Cowork. So essentially what Dispatch can do, it can access files on your own computer, and also you can allow all browser actions, which essentially will go ahead and act on its own, and it can actually run specific tasks using the actual cursor. So I'll just give you a quick example. Over here, I'm going to ask it to turn on Final Cut Pro. Now Final Cut Pro is the editor program I use for making YouTube videos. So I'll say turn on Final Cut Pro. Okay. And let's see what happens. Now here, obviously I messed with this earlier, but I can't turn off screen flow because I'm using it right now, right? So let's just see what goes on here. So I'll just put allow for this session. Okay, here it's opening up Final Cut Pro, and there it is. So Final Cut Pro is now open, and I can go ahead and edit it. Now let's go ahead and test this out a little bit. So create a new project in Final Cut Pro called Darrel Wilson, and I'll go ahead and run this. And here I will, actually, I think it'll automatically do it. I don't have to shrink the window down. It'll shrink it down for me. But let's just see what it does here. Okay. So Claude is using my computer. Okay, there it goes. And let's see if it goes to new. I'm not going to touch anything. I want it to do it on its own. This isn't a hard task. There it goes. Okay, new project. All right, almost there. Go to project. Okay, so it opened up a new project, and now it needs to name it Darrel Wilson. So let's go ahead and see what it does. Darrel Wilson. Cool. Done. It created a brand new project called Darrel Wilson. All right, party people. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. As you can tell, there's a lot of cool and fun stuff you can do with Claude. Like, I like the fact that you can embed the plugins and then create your own little assistants, or you can have it control your computer. Maybe it can even start editing videos for me. I don't think we're far off from there, right? I mean, maybe my video editors will be really pissed, but you know, that's what's going on right now. So AI is rapidly evolving. If you have any question about Claude, or if there's anything you want to let me know, put it in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helped you out. With that said, good luck on your AI journey, and I will see all of you party people later.